Good morning and welcome to Family Computer Center. In this video, we are going to discuss about the for loop in C++. This is part 3 of the C++ loop tutorial. In part 1 and 2, we were discussing about while loop and do while loop respectively. And in that part 1 and 2, we were printing Family Computer Center 10 times on the screen. So basically all the loops are doing the same operation. It repeats the statements again and again at a number of times we specify. So in this video, as you know, we are going to discuss about how to use the for loop. For loop is one of the best loop in almost all programming languages. Personally, as a programmer, I like to use for loop. You will understand why I am saying like this once we discuss about the syntax of the for loop. So here is a syntax for the C++ for loop. First you have to make a counter declaration and you start with 4, and in the bracket you will have the first value of the counter, which is counter initialization. Then you will have a semicolon. Then you will have the condition which decides how many times the loop should work. Then again semicolon. Then counter increment or decrement. Then you open the butterfly bracket. Then inside that you will write statements. And you close the butterfly bracket. You can see here the initialization, condition, increment and decrement. Everything comes in one single line. So there is no possibility of missing things while you do the loop. In while loop and do loop, we have seen that initialization, condition, increment, decrement, those comes in different lines of statement. So if you miss one among that, your loop is going to give you trouble. But in this case, you can see all these three things are coming in the straight line, same line. So there is no possibility you will miss all these things. So this makes for loop special for everybody. So now let's try to do the same program using the for loop, which will print family computers 10 times. So I'm saying like for I equals 1, I less than or equal to 10, then I plus plus, that's the increment. Then we open the statement and we are saying cout, then we will say family computer center. There you go. Let's try to compile and execute this program. So you can see it prints family computer center 10 times on the screen. So now let's just imagine how does this thing works. So we declare the I first, then it get the value, initial value, I is equal to 1. Then it check the condition, this is the first running, and in the first running it check the condition 1 less than or equal to 10. Yes, then it goes inside. Then it execute this one. Whenever it see a closing brace, let's assume that it comes back here, and I will be incremented and I will become 2. Then the condition will be checked. It will never go back to the initialization. So 2, 3, 4, 5, like that it will run up to 10 times. And for gives you another facility, like you can even declare your counter inside the loop statement. So you can even avoid that statement. So when I execute this one, there is no issue, the program is executed. So the for loop is really easy loop because the declaration, initialization of the counter, the condition checking, increment or decrement, everything comes in single line. That's for loop. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure that you subscribe to our channel so that you will not miss any further video we post.